Hi, I just wanted to share my experience on the modified Elliott wave theory course workshop that was conducted by Ashish from kiranjadhav.com. As always, it's been wonderful. It's something that I'd been wanting to learn, but I realized that it was quite complicated, and and therefore I needed to find a way that I would get some simplified version of the theory, which is actually what happened with this one-day workshop. So it was really wonderful. I would strongly recommend it. The price is actually a steal. It's not a bargain because there's just so much that one learns. And as always, it was great to reconnect after about a year with Ashish.
Great.
And you know, even the participants were very engaging and helpful, and I actually learned from even their questions. So thanks a lot, everybody. It was a great program.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.